Welcome to IELTS-Blog.com online preparation platform. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you how to improve your reading score when you're doing IELTS on a computer. Tip number 1. Manage your time. In IELTS, you get 60 minutes for the reading test. There are 3 parts in the reading test, but no one tells you when to go from one part to the other. If you get stuck on part 1, you may end up spending all of your time there. In that case, you'll only solve 30% of the test. To make sure it doesn't happen to you, allocate time to part 1, 2, and 3 of the reading test. Check your watch, and when the time is up, switch to the next part. Tip number 2. Manage your time the smart way. In the reading test, there are 3 parts, and what some people do is they divide the time into 3 equal chunks of 20 minutes. However, this isn't the smartest way to do it. Here is what you should do. Spend 15 minutes doing part 1, 20 minutes doing part 2, and 25 minutes doing part 3. Why should you do it that way? Because the texts are getting harder as you go. Part 2 is harder than part 1, so you'll need more time for it. Part 3 is harder than part 2, so you'll spend the most time there. Tip number 3. The best way to match headings to paragraphs. Matching headings to paragraphs is the least favorite task for many test takers. People say that it's a hard task and they spend a long time doing it. Here's how to do it the quickest and most accurate way. When you match headings, go in order of paragraphs, not in order of headings. Let me demonstrate this technique for you. Go to the first paragraph, read it, and then go over the list of headings. Choose the best heading for the first paragraph, and then go to the second paragraph. Read it, and then go over the list of headings again. This time, the list is shorter. Choose the best heading for the second paragraph, and then go to the third paragraph. Repeat the same process until you've matched the headings to all the paragraphs. Wondering why this technique saves you tons of time? Because you read each paragraph only once to find the heading for it. If you didn't use our technique, here's what would happen. You would read one heading and then go over the entire text looking for a matching paragraph. Then you would read another heading and read the whole text again. So yes, the time our method saves you is amazing. Alright, now it's time for you to start practicing on our website. So jump right in. In the next video, there'll be more reading tips for you, so make sure to watch it. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified when we release a new video.